Hi guys, this is to show you how head and shoulder work in the trading analysis. So this is a pair of GBP pound versus USD. So this happened last week. So I found this as a head and shoulder pattern, and it is very obvious that once we have seen this pattern, it has gone down. So from here you can see it has made a significant move over here. So this is one of the pattern that is to look out, and let me see if there is any other the other reversal pattern. I noticed it earlier on. Yeah, so this is a kind of another reversal pattern. So this is head and shoulder again, and then you can see the price moved up. So this is a good pattern to look if you are doing day trading. So this is one of the few things that I also look in the patterns when I'm doing the day trading. If you have any questions, please comment below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.